to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today, comparing the battery life of the GoPro Hero 9 Black and the DJI Osmo Action. Both cameras are recording in 4K 30 frames per second in linear mode with stabilization turned on. On both cameras the front screens were turned off. The DJI Osmo Action stopped recording after 1 hour, 13 minutes and 9 seconds. The GoPro Hero 9 Black recorded for 1 hour, 19 minutes and 25 seconds. The last time I have tested the battery of the GoPro Hero 9 Black, it recorded for 1 hour and 24 minutes. So I decided to check if the battery was really completely empty, and 12% were left. This means the camera didn't turn off because of an empty battery, but because of overheating. The battery life on the GoPro Hero 9 Black is longer, but it seems that the DJI Osmo Action has its internal temperatures better under control.